me, Isaac, and I'm here, and we're going to pull a little prank on my friend Kyle in the back. I'm trying to whisper now so he doesn't hear me. So, anyways, we got this can of Coke, but as you can see, there actually is no Coke in it. See, it's water, vinegar, and a little bit of pepper. So we're gonna go give that to him now. So come on. Kyle, got a drink. A nice little refreshment of Coca-Cola. Here you go.
What is this?
Just a little bit of my home cooking.
What the heck?
You know, water, vinegar, and a little bit of pepper.
There's not even Pepsi. I mean Coca-Cola. Thanks.